Welcome to the 25 amazing facts about Martin Romualdez. 1. Martin Romualdez is a first cousin of President Bongbong Marcos. 2. Martin Romualdez's father was once named by Forbes as the 30th richest man in the Philippines with a net worth of, which the Presidential Commission on Good Government claimed was ill-gotten. 3. Martin Romualdez is the nephew of former First Lady Imelda Romualdez Marcos and former President Ferdinand Marcos, while incumbent President Bongbong and Senator Amy Marcos are his cousins. 4. Martin Romualdez later enrolled at the University of the Philippines College of Law in 1988, becoming a Upsilon Sigma Phi fraternity member. 5. Martin Romualdez earned his Bachelor of Laws degree in 1992. 6. Martin Romualdez attended Cornell University in the United States from 1981 to 1985, graduating with a Bachelor of Arts in Government. 7. Martin Romualdez married Yetta Marie Kittelstvet, who represented the Philippines at Miss International 1996 in civil rights in Hong Kong in November 1999, with a church wedding following at Santuario de San Antonio in Forbes Park, Makati on February 2001. 8. Martin Romualdez was first elected as representative of Lights, 1st Congressional District in 2007. 9. Martin Romualdez authored House Bill No. 1039, which was enacted into law by President Benigno Aquino III as Republic Act No. 10,754. Or an act on expanding the benefits and privileges of people with disabilities. 10. On November 7, 2015, Martin Romualdez declared his support for presidential candidate Jejomar Binay. 11. Martin Romualdez filed his certificate of candidacy for senator on October 13, 2015. 12. Martin Romualdez is serving as the representative for the 1st District of Leyte since 2019 and previously from 2007 to 2016. 13. Martin Romualdez formerly served as the House Majority Leader from 2019 to 2022 and unsuccessfully ran for senator in the 2016 elections. Martin Romualdez was later elected as Majority Floor Leader of the House of Representatives of the Philippines for the 18th Congress. 15. Martin Romualdez is the National President of the Lakas Christian Muslim Democrats political party. 16. Martin Romualdez served as co-campaign manager for Sara Duterte's successful 2020 vice presidential campaign. 17. In December 2021, Martin Romualdez became the campaign manager of Sara Duterte's vice presidential campaign alongside Davao Occidental Governor Claude Bautista. 18. Martin Romualdez was elected in July 2022 as Speaker of the House of Representatives by 284 House members. 19. Martin Romualdez was instrumental in the deepening rift between the Marcos and Duterte families. 2020, under Martin Romualdez's watch, the House denied Vice President and Education Secretary Sara Duterte's requests for confidential funds that could be used for the Education Department's proposed Reserve Officers Training Corps program, but swiftly passed the same funds for the Office of the President. This led Sara's father and former president, Rodrigo Duterte, to allege a connivance between Martin Romualdez and the leftist Makabayan bloc in stripping Sara of confidential funds. Several House members of Duterte's party, PDP-Laban, later party switched, mostly to the Martin Romualdez-led LACA's CMD. In late November 2023, reports circulated that some House members want Vice President Sara impeached. 22. Itzel Lagman urging the Marcos administration to cooperate with the International Criminal Court's investigation into Duterte's war on drugs. Martin Romualdez denied prioritizing the measures. Amid the feud of the Marcos and Duterte clans in late April 2023, Martin Romualdez said the House will probe into an agreement Duterte made during his presidency with Chinese President Xi Jinping. 24. Efforts to amend the Constitution intensified in January 2024 after pro-charter change group People's Initiative for Reform, Modernization, and Action admitted talking with Martin Romualdez and claimed responsibility for a signature drive campaign that attempted to start a People's Initiative. Martin Romualdez denied spearheading the initiative, although a video evidence showing the opposite was later disclosed by Senator Francis Escudero. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.